So then, two of my students at KVCC told me different ones, and one of them was that she did a lot of ballet, and she said you use your gracilis to be graceful. And I thought that was kind of nice. But my favorite one, this is an adductor, okay? And adductors bring your legs what, together or apart? Together, because you add the parts together, it's the midline, right? Adductor. So you use this muscle to hold your legs together. You use the gracilis to save your grace. You know what I mean? Isn't that funny? Yeah, I never would have thought of that. One of my students at KVCC told me that. So that is the gracilis. And this right here is the tensor fascia latte. What does that remind you of, latte? Like a coffee, right? Everyone goes to Starbucks these days and they get their latte. So that's the tensor fascia latte. So two ways. One person, this muscle person, drank so much latte they got really tense and they spelt the latte on their hip and it burned all the way through the fascia. So you know what though? People haven't been learning that one really easy. So now what people told me is you drink a lot of latte and it goes straight to your hips. It also makes you tense. Tensor fascia latte, right? So what is this called? Tensor fascia latte. So let's see, what is this one here? Rectus femoris. This one, vastus medialis. This one here, vastus lateralis. Sartorius, sartorius. Gracilis, tensor fascia latte. Now, oh, by the way, there's those other adductors you need to know here, right? But I'm not going to ask it on this model or the little one. It doesn't show up very well on the little one. This one, they remove some muscles to show the artery, vein, and nerve. I'd rather just have the muscles. So as far as the book, I would ask you the adductor magnus, adductor longus, and pectineus only from the lab manual, from that page 221. And I just know them in order. You got the gracilis first, and adductor magnus, the big one, adductor longus, the long one, and the pectineus. So also from the other picture. But otherwise, these will be the ones I just went through on here. Now on the front of the lower leg, page 225, the ones you'll need to know on that, gastrocnemius, soleus, fibularis longus, tibialis anterior, and then on picture B, fibularis longus, gastrocnemius, tibialis anterior, and soleus. You know what? I'm not going to have soleus from that picture. It doesn't show up well. I've got plenty of other ones. And then on page 227, on picture A, the soleus. And that is it. So on the lower leg, on the model, the only thing I'm going to ask you on the lower leg on the model is this one right here, is on the front of it. Tibialis anterior, right? And what bone is that anterior to? The tibia. You can see the tibia, tibialis